Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. And today I will be showing you how to make a Spotify blend. So now, first, just simply go ahead and open the Spotify application into your device. Now, once you have done that, you would just simply go for the search down below, tap on the search icon, and now from here, you would just simply scroll down and try to find made for you right over here. And now here you will have an option made for us. So just simply tap on create a blend. So guys, from here you could invite your friend to blend. You can invite up to 10 friends, and you could have a shared playlist that gives you social recommendations based on all of your friends' music taste. And after that, tap on invite. And of course, you could just simply go ahead and copy the link over here. Tap on copy, and after that, of course, just simply send it to your friend, and they have to accept it in order for them to have a playlist. And after that, guys, a playlist will be created for both of you. And whenever they added a song into that playlist, it will be added to a shared playlist, and both of you can listen to it and see each other's interests. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all, and see you in the next video.